Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Master. In this video, you will find the most popular haircut like taper fade, mid fade, flat top, dreadlocks, and other most popular haircut among the black people right in this video. So don't skip the video, watch this video till end, and you will get the right haircut idea for you. All of these amazing haircut inspired by the best barber around the world, and I think you should watch this video till end because these haircuts are insane, and these barbers are also insane because
got a full-grown hairline, and barbers are scared to give you a decent lineup, so they leave it uneven looking like this and just start to push it back. I fix this by cleaning any dirt off the skin, then establishing my guide in the middle, then evenly matching the sides. If you're in LA and you have this problem, make sure you click the link in the above to book an appointment so I can fix this problem for you.
wow, that was pretty awesome. I love that haircut. Wow. Yes, you can visit this barber. Real good. Link up that barber in our description box, and yes, you can visit that barber.
My client has thick hair. A lot of barbers struggle to blend this type of hair and feel like this. I give him the perfect blend by making my guidelines neat, carefully remove the bulb, and finally give him a clean shave around his goatee. If you're in LA in need of a perfectly blended fade, use the link in my bio to book.
Oh my god. That was perfect transformation. I love that transformation. This guy got God-gifted hands. Oh my gosh. I love that. That's perfect. I love that.
This client paid me $120. He's receding a bit on the corners of his hairline, so we go ahead and add a bit of enhancements, but make it look as natural as possible. I make sure there's no overhanging hairs, and as you can see, those enhancements are not going anywhere. It looks as natural as possible and nice and sharp. Let me know what you think of this cut in the comments below, and if you need to get less like this, make sure you click that link in my bio to book your next appointment.
You have to comment your favorite haircut, and yes, you can also share your hair type, or if you are struggling to get right haircut idea for you, you can also contact us. We will give you the right direction to get a right haircut according to your hair type.
Like, it should be working out.
Do you like it or not? It manifests might be like 30 and 40 and like is. So I feel like I take it as a compliment. I'm gonna work out here. Bushy beard and your barber doesn't put any detail into it, leaving all the flyaways like this. I prevent that by sculpting it with its growth pattern, shear the bottom, razor his beard line multiple times, and I finally get his neckline to fit his facial structure. If you're in LA in need of a detailed beard, use the link in my bio to book.
Thank you so much.
I had to perform surgery on dude's hairline, and I'm not gonna lie, it should be a crime the way he just walked in my shop like that. But first I start to comb his hair backwards to analyze his hair to see where it grows and to see if he has any light spots. So after chopping it down with a 1.5 guard, I follow behind with that sauce and a hot towel to lay those hairs down, and after I use alcohol to clean off any excess oil or dirt on the skin, and lastly spray on holding spray to lock the hairs in.
Yes,
I always have to start on my vertical bars first before moving on the top hairline. And y'all know I had to break out that ruler to make sure it's symmetrical. But basically I do the same steps on this side as I did on the other side. And for all the haters, as you can see, that natural hairline was already hidden before I put on my hands.
I love that,
and for
man.
this video, y'all know I had to show my clients before and after because I should come back.
You got a real
But
white,
anyway, y'all, if
man.
y'all
You
ever
got
around or
real
in Las
white.
Vegas looking for a service like this, that link is in my bio, and y'all come get
Thank you
some.
for the sharing. Thank you for the sharing that. Subscribe to our channel, turn on post notification to get update for every new upload.